Hey everybody, thanks for joining. Here it is. This is a typical Friday morning at Ski Liberty. If I look over here at the rental area, you can see people are lined up all the way on the outside. There's also a line on the other side of the building. On the plus side, there's a lot of good looking snow conditions here today, so let's have a go today and see how things are on the slopes. Going. Checking out morning conditions here. Looks like the groomers once again have done a very, very good job here. This run here is the bottom of White Lightning, which looks encouraging to me because last time I was here, White Lightning was not very good at the top. This run here is off of one of the mid-station waypoints here. Very nice run. For those of you who are coming out here and just wanting to try the Alpine Quad lift, this might be a good point to get off at. You just need to make sure you get off at the what they call the midpoint here, right here, about where I'm pointing here. Otherwise, if you don't get off there, you're going to have to get to the top. Easiest way down from up there would be Doodle, which does have some steeper parts to it. It's not too bad, but it's going to be about twice as long in length than this little run here. But this would be a nice little run to warm up on. If you do choose to go with that, I would suggest not coming directly down this top hill here where it's a little bit steep, going around to, I think they call that Adventure Alley over there, and you know, easing it around. It's still going to be a little tough, but it's a good little beginners. And you definitely want to spend time over the beginner area first before you come over here, but nice good runs. Alright, so checking out the terrain park here. Once again, it looks like the groomers have done a really good job getting this in shape. You know, it's pretty smooth. It's a little bit narrow here on this first side. The other side's a little bit narrow over there as well, but they do have some nice park features there for you guys that like to ride and do freestyle trick skiing. It's a little narrow, but looks okay. That's an interesting feature over there, that second one in. I've never seen anybody actually take one of those, but it looks like the idea is to get a little bit of rumble going on with your ride. Yeah, I'd like to see somebody take one of those. It's a nice thing they do here at Liberty also. They mark the edges of these ramps so with some fluorescent paint so that you can see it on your approach, which is really nice. Last year up at Jack Frost, I wiped out twice last year in total. One time I wiped out because I failed to see the delineation point between the ramp and the edge. I didn't have it marked. It might have been marked.